Hello, everyone. Here is YiLuProxy's channel. The video shows how to integrate YiLuProxy with Simpleslogin. Firstly, configure YiLuProxy settings as shown video. Don't forget to save it. Then on the Rotating Residential IPs tab,
select Residential IP or Data Center IP.
Then select a country, state, and city. Select the IP format, IP port, username, password, and the number of refreshing IPs. Then click Refresh. Right-click an IP and click Copy IP and Port. Then click Add Profile in Simpleslogin. Click Proxy. Click here. Click Proxies. Click Register your proxy. Then paste IP information. Click Save. The proxy IP has saved successfully. Click Profiles. Click Add Profile. Enter a profile name. Select a operating system. You can see the profile information on the right. Then click Proxy. Select External Proxy. Select a proxy and close the pop-up window. You can edit user agent, resolution and language on the advanced settings. You can also import cookies. Then click Create Profile. Click Start to run the browser profile. Then the browser automatically jumps to a web page. You can view the IP address here.
You can also check IP address on other websites, such as epinfo.io.
The IP is a Canadian IP. Okay, the video is over. Thank you for watching and subscribing.